Well, this is a rare treat. My new friend, Anthony, who's the maintenance engineer for the building, has got me inside of the old Singer plant, so you're actually walking through it right now. This is where all those cabinets were made. That's a real early one, isn't it? I can't even imagine over 2 million cabinets a year. That's just insane.
That's a pretty big place if you go all the way up to the 4th floor, but all of it is the same. Actually, the top is empty.
Well, they gutted it all out then, or?
Yeah, I mean, just there's nothing in it. You just got your pillars and stuff, but they took everything out.
Do you remember this when it was running, or was that well before your time?
Oh yeah, I remember the Mary Crest building. The Mary Crest building used to be like the first children's dispensary. Back there, that's the part that's falling down.
Okay. Well, I am grateful. I didn't anticipate.
I'm sorry I can't get you upstairs. I don't know. Now you got me. I gotta find my keys.
No, this is really good. I've got a YouTube channel, and the people have been following my trip down here. It's cow country, like cow, like the animal, cow country, vintage sewing. If you wanted to check it out, I'm going to post all this video there. Did you have any family or friends that worked in this building when it was operating?
Not Singer. I don't. Studebaker, yeah, not Singer.
Well, you said your grandfather worked at Studebaker.
Yep, he was there when they closed it up. In fact, I'll just. And you probably went to part of the old Studebaker plant because they made that, they renovated that, some of it.
I think this battery's about to die. There it goes. Perfect timing. Oh, I owe you, my friend.